Welcome to a Photonic Cleaning Technologies video. Glass slides can be troublesome to clean, but with first contact polymer, simply apply it to the slide. Spread the polymer out using the surface tension between it and the brush, and allow it time to dry. Attach one of our peel tabs to the dried polymer, and remove for a like new clean slide. Compared to the next leading method, first contact polymer applied after an ammonia wash removed virtually all particulates from glass slides. The image on the right shows the left half of the slide with just the ammonia wash, and the right half with the wash followed up by the first contact polymer. Thank you for watching. For more information, check out photoniccleaning.com or click the link in the description below. Watch some of our other videos and quick help guides here on YouTube, and subscribe to our channel for when new videos on our product come out.